If your home is equipped with a whole house humidifier, the maintenance on this is changing the water panel once a year. Regardless of how it looks, every year this should be replaced right before heating season. The first thing we want to do is, again, remove the power to anything that you're going to maintenance. After that, on the Honeywell model, we simply slide this panel out, and inside here is what we call the water panel. On top is the drip tray. We pull this out, we clean this off in the sink because this will become dirty. We slide this panel out, and we also clean inside here where it drains out. Once we get the new panel, we slide that back in. Snap the drip tray on top. And slide in. Be sure to slide it all the way in so the water can go down the drain and doesn't spill out onto the floor of the HVAC system. Once that's complete, remember, plug the power back in. And that's it.